The change from undergraduate to postgraduate was quite a jump. Going from lectures to pure research was quite a shock. But I mean, the people at Leeds are really friendly. Everyone's really supportive. The department's very close knit. So if you have any problems, you can go see not only your supervisors but anyone in the department, any member of staff. The doors are always open, and you can ask for help whenever you need it.
There's quite a step up between doing an undergraduate and a postgraduate degree, but there's a lot of support as well from the academic staff, from your supervisor and second supervisor if you have one. And they've done it all before. They know what to give you and what you need to make that transition.
The biggest difference that I noticed when I became a postgraduate was the freedom of what you're doing. So that's kind of scary at first, just because you're not being told day to day, you have to go to this lecture, you have to read this book, you have to take this exam. And so initially I was sort of just running around trying to do everything, feeling as though I should be under more pressure than I was. But really through talking to my supervisor, through talking to other postgraduates, ones who are further advanced than I was, I realised kind of a bit more how it was self-directed. You have to have a good idea of what your goal is in your head, and then the kind of intricacies of what you end up doing are really quite obvious once you have that.
So I found working in a research group very interesting, actually. It's an interesting, because before you get set a question or you get set a project, and a lot of the time it's very individual. So you don't really ever talk to other people apart from your supervisor. And in a sense, a research degree is quite similar to that in the beginning. But as you get further into it, and as you start talking to people and realising what they're doing, you also start to realise that what they're doing is actually very relevant to what you're doing. And because of the way the research groups work, we're all working on very similar systems. And then so that allows us to then collaborate and say, oh, hang on, you're doing that, well, I could use that to do my stuff. And then it's kind of complementary. And so also the research group has got ties to other research groups in other universities, and then you then meet people and the network grows, and then you've got more people to collaborate with, and it's good.